Video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DeepSeek to n8n using the OpenAI compatible API. By the end, you'll have a working n8n workflow that calls a DeepSeek model, using a simple, reliable setup. We'll start by creating an API key in DeepSeek, then add it as a credential in n8n using the OpenAI compatible API option, and finally wire up an AI chat model node with the correct model name so you can run a quick test. Begin by opening the DeepSeek platform in your browser. If you already have an account, log in. If not, create a free account to get started. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the API keys section. Open it and click the button to create a new API key. When the key is generated, copy it right away and store it securely. Treat this key like a password, don't share it publicly, and avoid pasting it into places that might be visible to others. If you ever think it's been exposed, revoke it and generate a new one. Now switch over to your n8n dashboard. From the left sidebar or top menu, open the Credentials area and choose to add a new credential. Select the OpenAI compatible API option. This is important because DeepSeek follows that format, so you don't need any special connector. Paste your DeepSeek API key into the key field. Then set the base URL to the DeepSeek API endpoint. Double-check that the URL is correct for your account and region if applicable, as typos here are a common cause of connection issues. Save the credential, and consider giving it a clear name so you can find it easily later. With credentials in place, open your workflow canvas in n8n. Click to add a node and search for OpenAI chat model. Add it to the canvas, then in the Credentials dropdown, pick the DeepSeek credential you just created. In the model field, type DeepSeek chat exactly as shown. Connect this node to your AI agent or to the rest of your workflow as needed. When everything is linked, click Run to test. Open the node execution details to confirm you're receiving a response and that latency and tokens look as expected. Here's a quick tip. DeepSeek works in n8n because it supports the OpenAI compatible API, so you can use it much like GPT models, often at a lower cost or even free depending on credits. If you run into errors, verify the base URL, the model name, and that your credential was saved correctly. That's it, your n8n workflow is now powered by Deeps.